Whenever you just need make them lose your man thinking. That smile on your face. Hey squad, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Shay and I'm the owner of Hair by Shay and Looks by Shay. I was about to say Toronto based, but if you follow me on my socials, you know that I've recently made the move to Barrie. So Barrie based, I offer a variety of hair care services with wigs and hair, as well as I sell a variety of hair care products. You can find the hair care products that I use to achieve my healthy hair on hairbyshay.com. So in today's video, we are going to be doing something that's highly requested of me to show my process for my braid downs for wigs. For those of you that aren't new to any of my pages, you know that wigs are my favorite protective style. That is what I offer with Looks by Shay, wigs and hair services. So in this video, that's pretty much what I'm going to be showing you. The products will be listed in the description bar below, but it's a fairly simple process, so just watch the video if you want to learn what I do, see my technique. This technique does include heat, but I do also have a technique that doesn't involve heat, so I'll be uploading that as soon as I get in the mood to wear a wig again. Right now I'm just rocking my natural hair, taking care of it, but as soon as I want to put on a little wig and slay again, I will definitely upload a heatless method to this video. Anyways, no more long talking. Let's get right into the video. I mean, it's already been playing, but I'm gonna let you focus. Enjoy! Now, I know I said I was going to let you enjoy the video, but I guess it makes the most sense to explain what I'm doing, right? So in the clips before, I just applied leave-in conditioner as well as some protective sprays. I used the Tresemme Keratin as well as the Chi, and for leave-in I believe it was Cocoology. Again, I'll leave in the description bar. I apply it all over in sections to my hair and then I twist it just to leave it alone. And then after I'm done applying it, I'm taking my blow dryer brush. I love this brush. Like, where has this brush or blow dryer been my entire life? So I'm just using the blow dryer brush to go through the sections and blow dry it because my hair is damp at this point. So I'm just trying to get it as dry as possible as well as stretched out. It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is send images on replay. One next to you. It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is send images on replay. One next to you. It's not that I want you here, yeah. So I'm just gonna get it out the way. You're gonna see a couple of outfit changes in this video, and the reason for that being is this took me a couple of days to finish or to film. Like, usually I can do this in a couple of hours, do the whole blow dry, braid down my hair, install my wig if I have to, if I'm going somewhere. But the last couple of days when I was filming this, I wasn't going anywhere. I was working and I was at home, so it took me a couple of days to do it just because I don't like doing all the braiding down of my hair. But yeah, so yeah, that is the reason. I'm not one of those people. I mean, I am big Leo energy, but I'm not one of those people who like changes their outfit multiple times unless I have to. And I'm just sectioning in smaller sections. It just makes it a little bit easier for me to deal with all of my hair if I just, break it down a little bit. So that's just what I'm doing. Once I have the sections parted out, I apply the Hair by Shay hair growth oil, and I pay a lot of attention to my ends as well as my scalp. You can find the hair growth oil on hairbyshayx.com. This has been a key player in keeping my hair healthy throughout my wig installs. I really believe in maintaining your hair underneath your wig when you're doing protective styles. So I always make sure my prep is really good, as well as while I'm wearing my wig, whether that be washing my braids or applying the hair growth oil between the braids. And I find that that has been very beneficial to me in making sure that I'm not just wearing protective styles and forgetting about my hair, and I'm keeping my hair healthy. So if you wear wigs like myself or protective styles, that's my tip to you for today. Just making sure you're maintaining your hair underneath. So I'm just going to continue on myself. My braid pattern is just straight backs. Think about 12. I don't do anything too intricate because this still gives me the desired look I want. It's not too bulky underneath my wigs. So yeah, pretty straightforward. You could just continue watching to see what I do. And for all of my braids, I will take the previous braid and put it into the current braid. That sounds a little bit complicated, but it's not. You can just continue to watch me. I demonstrate it a couple times in the video. Just applying some hair growth oil in between my braids. This is what I would do if I'm wearing a wig that isn't glued down. Every couple of nights I'm going to go between my braids with the hair growth oil, and I'm just showing you what it looks like. Some junky dookie braids, nothing cute, but it's going under a wig, so what do we care? And I'm just showing you guys, if I had needle and thread, I would cross the braids and just attach them to one of the braids with needle and thread. But at this time I didn't have all my supplies, but I'm just showing you what I would have done. Just using some gel, I was gonna say glue, some gel, and then what I'm doing is just making sure all of my edges are back because I don't want anything caught into, that's my dryer, sorry for the noise, but I don't want anything caught in the glue once I apply the bald cap. So I'm just making sure everything's slick back. And if you don't have needle and thread like I didn't, or if you just don't want to use needle and thread, just cross your braids and apply a wig cap, and that's going to keep everything tucked in. And I'm just taking a little bit of rubbing alcohol to the part of my forehead where the glue will be. This is just to make sure that all oils are removed from my skin. You don't have to do this. You can use witch hazel or just make sure your skin is really clean and oil free. And I'm going to be doing the bald cap method. So just cutting around my ears so that it is pulled and as taut as possible. Cutting myself a little bit of eye pieces so that I'm able to still see. And I'm just taking the ORS holding spray for the bald cap method. I sometimes use Got to Be Free spray, but I like to give my edges a break and alternate between the two. I'm just taking some cream concealer and applying it to the bald cap. And my rule of thumb is whatever you do to your bald cap, you do to your lace on your wig. So you're going to see me do the exact same thing to my wig. Pretty self-explanatory here. I'm just applying some wig glue. I think this might have been Bold Hold Active, but I'm just applying it in very thin layers and then drying it down completely till it's clear. I do about three layers of this and just making sure that it's dried completely clear before you move on to the next layer. And when you're on your final layer, that is when you grab your wig, you're going to dry the glue down, not until it's completely dry, but until it's just a bit tacky. How you would test that out is by taking the back of your rat tail comb and sticking in the glue. You don't want it completely peeling off, but you do want it to have a little bit of tackiness. And then I pull the wig lace just the tiniest bit in front of the glue. I find that, I can't remember who taught me that hack, but that is just how I apply my wigs, and it's been great. Now I'm just doing some, I guess some finessing, because this is an old lace and an old wig. So I'm kind of just finessing it so that it looks a lot better. And just cutting back some of that lace that has probably balded off. So you can just watch here and see how I finesse and kind of reuse an old wig. So I spray a little bit of my setting spray on my fingertip, and that is how I press down on the lace, like the edges of the lace. That was what you saw a little bit earlier. And then I use the comb, any comb, and I just push down as much as I can so that the lace starts to melt into the glue. And I'm using a blow dryer for that to help it all dry together. Then I just section up my baby hairs, tie it down with some, dang, what are these called? Zan wraps? Whatever these are called, they're similar to like the barber wraps. And then here is where I'm just going to do some styling of my hair. I love this Fantasia heat protector spray. This wax pomade or wax stick isn't the best, honestly. I was looking for the I think it's called I was looking for that wax stick, but good stuff are hard to find in Canada. So that was what I was able to find. If you have any recommendations for a wax stick and you live in the Toronto area, please let me know, because I would love to replace this. But yeah, I'm just applying this to my lace in small sections, and I'm going to go through with the heat comb just to get out as much bumpiness as possible. So the closure has been straightened with the hot comb, and now I'm just plucking it apart. If you're doing this, just make sure that you're not plucking it too deep where you accidentally grab the lace. And now I'm just going to continue styling. Now for the styling of my hair, I just sectioned off my hair into 4 parts, and I took the spray bottle. It has water and a little bit of fabric softener over it, and I fully saturate my hair so it's pretty wet, and I take a detangling brush to brush away through the tangles. Then after when that's done, I go through with mousse just to further define the curls.
Then dip me underway, kill my mind for flow, hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Then dip me underway, kill my mind for flow, hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, then dip me underway, kill my mind for flow, hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Then dip me underway, kill my mind for flow, hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Then dip me underway, kill my mind for flow, hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
That's pretty much it for how I do my installs as of late. The hair is installed now, and I'm just going to do a little bit further tweaking just so it's to my liking of how I like my hair styled. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please leave a comment below if there's anything that you want to see of me. Like I mentioned, this was a requested video just for how I do my braid downs under wigs. So if there's anything else that you want to see, please let me know. Just drop a comment in the comment section and I'll be sure to work on it. We're back. I know I've been on and off, but yeah, we're back. Bye. Love you so much, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for all your love and your support. And if you've made it this far to the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to follow me on my socials. That's Looks by Shayx, and as well as Hair by Shayx on Instagram. Bye. And here's some pictures so you can see it all styled up when I'm actually looking like somebody's child. Bye.